Hey guys, it is Miss Brittany. Today we're going to go through learning the touch points on touch counting nickels. So whenever we see this little dot here, this little touch point, that means it's going to be worth 5. So we know that when we come through, we're going to write 5 cents for our nickel. So we'll come through and we see our touch points. So we see 5, 10, 15. So for those of you, it'd be good for you guys to either touch the dots with your fingers on the screen, or if you have it printed out, then you can touch the dots on your paper printed out. All right. So then we come down here and now we're going to count some dimes. And a dime is, remember, this circle here, this little touch point is worth 5. So we're going to count by 5. So we're going to go 5, 10. So we see that our dime is worth 10 cents. So we're going to count these dimes. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So 30 cents for this dime. And now we're going to do our quarter. And remember, what value is the circle? It's 5. Each little circle is 5. So we're going to count by 5s. We're going to go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So we have 25 cents here. We're going to come here and we're going to count the 2 quarters. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So we have 50 cents here. And so now we're going to do a penny. I know it's a little bit backwards because penny normally is the first one we count. So when you guys see this little just line, not the circle or the dot, but a line, that is worth 1. Okay? So now here we have some pennies and we're going to count the lines. We have 1. And before we start counting, actually, let me remind you, because we're doing the pennies and the line is worth 1, we're going to count by 1. So 1, 2, 3, and so on, instead of by 5s, okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 cents. So right now we need to touch count our nickels. So again, if you guys have it either just projected up while I'm doing it, you can just touch along, or you can, if you have it printed out, you can touch along on your page, okay? So we have 2 nickels here, so we have 5, 10. We're gonna come over and circle 10 cents. And here we have 5, 10, 15. So we're still counting by 5s. So 5. Then we have 1 more here. We have 5, 10, 15, 20. So we're going to look for a 2, 0. Just right there. Okay, so now we're going to do more touch counting with our nickels. So we have 5, 10, 15. So we need 1 5. So this one we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nickels. So we're going to count all of that. So it's going to be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So 2 5. And 2 nickels will be 5, 10, 1 0. And then here we have 4 nickels. So we're going to go 5, 10, 15, 20. So 2 0. Okay. So not only are we going to touch along and count, but we're going to write each amount here and then here at the end, okay? So we have 5, 10, 15. So we can write 1, 5. And here we have 5, 10. So 5 and 10 to make a total of 10. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. So 2, 5. All right, and then this one we have 5, 10, 15, 20. Good job, guys. We are halfway there. So now we're going to do our dimes. So remember that the dimes are going to be worth a total of 10 cents. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So 30. Here we have 5, 10, 15, 20 to make it 20. And this one we have 5, 10 to make it 10. And then this one we got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So 40. Okay, so let's keep counting. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So 50. Here we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So 30 for 30. And then here we have 5, 10. So we got 10 for 10. This one is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So 40. Now we're going to write our amounts while we count. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So you have a total of 40 cents. So 40. 1, 2, 5. Okay, let's get my pen back up. All right, so we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So we have 50 cents. And then we come down here and we have, let me get us some space, 5, 10, 15, 20. So we have a total of 20 cents. So here we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. For a total of 30 cents. Just a few more pages, guys. So we are going to touch count our quarters. So remember, every circle is worth 5 and a quarter is worth a total of 25. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So 50. Here we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, a whole dollar. The only one that has a dollar sign on it is that $1 right there. Here we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. So the 7 and a 5. And here we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So 2, 5. Okay, so we're going to keep on counting here. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So 2, 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, another dollar. So $1. This one we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So 50. Yep. Come on, pen. Work with me. All right. So here we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. So 7 and a 5. And now we're gonna do some pennies. Like 2 pages left, guys. We can do this, okay? So remember, with pennies, we're gonna count by ones, because a penny is worth, the line is worth 1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2. All right, good job, guys. We have one more page. You can power through it and do it. You are awesome. So remember, we're counting by ones. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And this one we have 1, 2. Find that 2 and circle it. 2 problems left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So find our 5 and circle it. And then our very last problem is 1. Find that 1. Awesome job, guys. Way to go. See you later.